Please.
Samiksha, you were listening to Conrad Sangma as he stated that right now
A day after the announcement of the Legislative Assembly election results, the elected MLA of South Tura and President of the National People's Party NPP, Conrad Sangma, had submitted his resignation as Chief Minister of the state to the Governor of Meghalaya, Fagu Chauhan. At the same time, Sangma had been elected as the leader of the parliamentary party as announced by the MLA of Panursla, Preston Tansong. In the meanwhile, Conrad Sangma had led a delegation of all elected MLAs of the NPP and BJP to the governor to stake claim in forming the new government in the state. Likewise, there are MLAs of other parties who would soon be joining the NPP coalition, informed Conrad Sangma.
Thank you.
UDP extended support because we are made to understand that
the UDP is yet to take a call on the this matter.
So you know it then.
Sir, any Congress candidate has
just
also
said
approached any Congress candidate?
As I said, those details we cannot give it right now. We don't want to give all the details right now. But just want to tell you that we have sufficient.
What will be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDA?
We're going to sit with the partners. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara is also here already. This is somewhere behind. And BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political parties.
So HSPTP has also extended support to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll be.
CMC also supposed to be.
So do you have 32 number right now? Sir, do you have 32 number right now standing with you?
Absolutely. More than. Okay.
More than 32 you have right now. Sir, any comments on the pool violence that was registered?
The violence, in fact, it's very unfortunate. It shouldn't have happened. We understand the sentiments, of course, are there. People are very emotional at this point in time. So a lot of violence took place in different locations, but things are, as of now, under control. And I would like to urge all the people of all political parties that the election is done. We are democratically, we have finished the democratic process, and violence is not the way. So I would appeal to the people also in the political parties not to get into any kind of violence.
What will be attribute to your success?
No, I mean there's nothing like that. We just we have worked committedly for the people in the last 5 years, and people have given us an opportunity to move forward.
Okay.